Alright, welcome all of you guys again to the Trade Focus YouTube channel, guys. And today let's have a look at the gold market here and find out what will happen to the gold market for the next couple of hours, like 24 hours or within 36 hours. So usually I'm a day trader, so I'm using 15 minutes time frame very often. Sometimes I do a scalping, but mostly I prefer to do day trading. So this trading setup that I'm talking about right here now, it's a day trading setup. So mostly I'm focusing on the possible reversing areas that market could reverse to the upside or downside, right? So looking at the large scale over here, the market looks like sellers are got pressuring to the downside, but after this market crashed down, buyers are pressuring to the upside because kind of a market high volume, high volatility area performing up over here. Yeah, straightly, very strongly, so let's go down to these areas. That has happened a couple of times. Goes very strongly, but comes back. Goes very strongly, try to break through the lines, but comes back. Here, very strongly comes down, but just reverse above this reversing zone. So basically, we can see that this is the reverse area. However, we're looking at the last downtrend just around over here. Looks like sellers got a little bit weaker. So let's see what's going to happen to the gold market as a large scale, like a main trend, right? So before we talk about that one, let's move on to a dollar index over here. So the dollar index looks like sellers got a little bit weaker just around here. Buyers and sellers are struggling throughout all the market up and down moves. Try to break through the lines, but comes back. Key levels just over here. But somehow I'm expecting another market slow, weak down move, like up to around this area, which is kind of a strong area, right? So we can expect this market down move, at least even very slowly to this area. I think you might see my trade setup over here, the market setup. The market could possibly gone down like up to this area because kind of a strong high volatility area, and as well kind of a market reverse area which is just above around here. If dollar index goes down, means probably this market could have gone up, right? So however, I'm pointing out two main reversing points over here. The first one is if market goes down from here, like over here, we can see obviously the buyers got a little bit weak. The strength of buyers are very weak. So we could be able to see, or we can expect some kind of market down reverse area, like market down pullback before a main down uptrend is started. If market goes down like that, then we could be able to see another market up reverse point just around here itself, like I mentioned earlier over here, right? This will be another market down move, but market could come a little bit further move just about around here and goes up, right? So this is my next main up reverse point to the upside. And once market start this uptrend, I'm expecting this uptrend will go up to this area, exactly the high point. The reason is this is the starting point of this main crash trend. So this looks like a market recovering to the upside. So while the market continues to up to these areas, of course we might be able to see market pullback zones, like for example like here, market goes up and goes down, goes up, goes down, just like that. So this area over here, which is around here, I mean, yeah, just around here, this will be another market down pullback zone, like while the market going up to this area just like that, there will be another market down pullback, and we can make some short trades over here, like as a short-term trading. We might be able to hold our trades up to like 2 to 3 hours, right? And then goes up again by breaking those lines, will come up to these areas, and then here will another market down reverse zone, of course, right? So these are the main up and down reverse zones. Possibly I'm expecting actually a market down move up to these areas before a main uptrend is started. Like the reason is this up move like currently being creating kind of a weak market up move. So we can expect market down move to up to these areas, then we'll start the main uptrend. So if you take some buy trades over here, that will be very early. Or you know, the main buyers and sellers like hedge funds, they are faking us. So wait until liquidate the market up to here and then hit the buy trades up to here, and we can make some scalps or short-term trades like you can hold up to 2 to 3 hours, maybe even less, like 1 hour scalps, and goes up again up to these areas. So my main target is this uptrend up this area. So probably that will take around like 48 hours, maybe 72 hours, I don't know. However, my target is around here. So while the market creating this main uptrend, these are the reversing areas to make some short-term trades. So let's see what's going to happen. I'll update it another video. Just do subscribe to the channel, guys, if you find these videos are useful. I'll update with another video over here.